Welcome to this video. Today we will explore where to find high quality icons for your designs, and the best part is they are absolutely free. First you need to go to your browser, then you need to search React icons and Google it. When you found this link React icons github.io, click on this button. This site is commonly used by React developers because it is easy to import icons on React projects. After visiting on this site, you have to search for your required icons. You can find any kind of icons on this website. Let's find icon for email. After searching, click the right button on mouse and go to the inspect option. Thereafter select this option and hover over your required icon. When you see the SVG text above the cursor, click the left button on mouse and copy the element by clicking Ctrl C. Thereafter go to the Figma and click Ctrl V to paste the icon. And there you go. You have successfully get the high quality icon. As it is in the form of SVG, you can extend the size as much as you want. Also, you can change the color of this icon, whatever color you need of this icon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this trick helpful for your design projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more design tips and resources.